take a look at these mini building block set that I was given so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. I love that it came with so many in a pack. There are 36 different individually wrapped little creatures, from bugs and insects, dinosaurs, and cute little animals. They are really adorable once assembled. The pieces are extremely small, so this is definitely something that you want to do when you're sitting down at a table, and I would say that it's geared towards the older kids. Since the pieces are so small and the detailed instructions require a lot of focus and the pieces need a lot of special handling, I would definitely say that this is for the older kids, but as a party favor, this is a really cute idea, especially because they do come packed in their own little bags so that it's perfect. The instructions do have multiple different creatures on the same one, so you will have to cut them up if you are using them as party favors, but as a party activity, or if you are wanting to grab some and entertain your little ones, which is what I did, that would be a great idea. The instructions are on a couple of different pages. The pictures are bright and clear, and I absolutely loved the fun little creatures that you could build. They are adorable, and what's really special about them is they move, a lot of them, so they have these little components that you can interact with. Overall, if you are looking for a great multi-pack of different kinds of animals as a party favor or as an activity for your older kids, this is definitely something I would suggest checking out.